Hey everyone, Meckler here. I'm over at Siena, which is a neighborhood in Round Rock, Texas, and I'm at a Lennar property. This is actually the Brock plan. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. Wanted to give you guys a quick tour of it. So as soon as you walk in off to the right, you've got your office. So really cool to have right in the front of the home. Then it goes off over here to your kitchen. So beautiful countertops, as you can see, very nice and very open. So your dining area over here, living area over here. That'll take you to your garage. You got your pantry there. And let's go on over here. You've got your utility room here, so washer dryer connections. You've got your half bath over here, so all your guests can use this restroom. And then here's your master suite, and it is a decent size master suite. And your master closet in there. It is a smart home, as you can see the things on the home, or excuse me, the things on the wall, so you can add to it, which is pretty cool. So over the course of the time you're here, just add on different home automation devices there. So good sized bedroom, like I said. Let's go off over here. You've got your master bathroom, walk-in shower, tub, dual vanity. And let me take you guys upstairs. So really nice upstairs area. I really like this room. It's got a good feel to it. I love how they have it staged. Definitely use it as your game room. Watch some sports up here. You got your foosball table. Some cool chairs there. Nice pool table. So very cool. All right, so you've got a full bathroom right here. Linens closet in here. And you've got your second bedroom here. Closet, which actually is a decent sized closet for a guest room. Third bedroom in here. And your fourth bedroom in here, which they're using as a room to display their finishes. So this is actually really cool how they have this wall. I'm not sure if you noticed, but so as soon as you walk up the stairs, you can turn right and go to your bedrooms. It also wraps around over here. You can go, I like how that is. It's pretty cool. So there you have it. Like I said, the Brock floor plan, which is Lennar's floor plan in Siena, or one of many you can choose from. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with a shot of this game room since it's pretty cool.